Your gutters play an important role in protecting your home from water damage. By keeping them clean, you can avoid costly repairs and ensure that they can last for years to come. Your gutters should be cleaned at least twice a year, in the spring and fall. However, if you live in an area with a lot of trees, you may need to clean them more often. Leaves and debris can build up quickly and cause your gutters to become clogged. This can lead to water damage to your home as well as pests like mosquitoes and rats. Your gutters are important for keeping your home in top condition. We all know that they funnel water away from your roofing system and house's foundation, which protects your siding and landscaping. It is initial maintenance when you are a homeowner to take care of your home in good repair. It is important to keep them clean in order to maintain your home in good repair. This initial maintenance will save you money in the long run by preventing damage to your home. Call our team of professional gutter cleaning services today to keep your home in tip-top shape.